Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to log out in Wattpad. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, the first things you can do is go to Wattpad application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Wattpad application, you automatically log in to your Wattpad. So okay guys, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to log out. So okay, you'll have to do to log out in Wattpad is, okay, we here in homepage of Wattpad. So you'll have to do is click the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, after that, click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you'll have to do is scroll down. And okay, you can see the logout button. Okay, click logout button. And okay guys, we have successfully logged out to your Wattpad application or Wattpad account. So, okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.